Trying to build your portfolio site but hate coding or feel like every template looks the same? Let me show you how to use AI and a free 3D tool to create something so eye-catching, people will think you hired a developer. In this full tutorial, I'll show you how to use Lovable AI to instantly generate your portfolio layout, how to create and export a 3D scene in Spline, and how to combine both to launch your very own interactive D-portfolio. We'll even drop in a full-screen 3D model using Spline, all without ever having to write a line of code. You'll discover how to write prompts that sparks creation, upload assets that bring your ideas to life, and troubleshoot the common bumps along the way. You don't need to code, you don't need to design. Whether you're a designer, developer, or someone who knows nothing about tech, I got you. Just follow along and build it with me. Let's jump in. All right, so this is the Lovable website, a powerful no-code platform that's quickly becoming a favorite among designers and developers. It makes building stunning animated websites fun, fast, and really easy. No need for code. I've included a special link down in the description. If you sign up using that link, you'll get a bonus credit, so you can follow along with this tutorial for free.
So when you land on Lovable, you'll see a big AI prompt box. Here's the best part. We're going to build a fully animated 3D portfolio website using just a single prompt. No designing, no coding, just one prompt. That's it. Lovable handles everything. The scroll animation, GSAP-style motion, 3D integration with Spline, responsiveness across all devices, even details like loading animation and progress bars. It's all built for you instantly based on your instructions. All you need is available in a GitHub repository, linked down in the description. Now, once you're there, help support the repository by giving it a star to help boost visibility for others who might find it useful. Now, download the zip file. Extract the file and open up the folder. You'll see a few files. Go ahead and delete the readme.md file and thumbnail file. We won't be needing them. Now let's open the images folder. This is where all the key visuals are stored, and we'll be referencing these directly in our prompts by their file names. Inside the folder, here's what you'll find. First, there's an image labeled profile. You can replace this with your own image, whether your face, your logo, or whatever represents you. Just make sure you name the image the same thing the sample image was named, because that's what we'll be referencing it with in the prompt. Next is the 6 project images, which you can also change. They represent the individual projects or case studies you want to highlight in your portfolio. And the last image is the reference image. This is your design benchmark. Just take a screenshot of a site you love and replace it with this. Just keep the file name the same. Now it's time to focus on the main thing, the prompt. This is what tells the AI exactly what we want and how we want it, how it should feel, look, and respond. So open the prompt on your notepad. Here's the prompt we've written. Design a futuristic, immersive, and premium portfolio website for a skilled developer. The visual aesthetic must reflect the style, colors, glow, and modern elegance of the attached image named reference. Use cutting-edge tools, GSAP for powerful animation, Locomotive Scroll for smooth parallax scrolling, Spline for 3D integration in the hero section. Site must be fully responsive across all devices. GSAP loading animation in progress bar, new. Add a modern cinematic loading animation before the main content appears. Full screen preloader screen with a centered animated logo or text. Here you can place your own name. Next, we said include a progress bar that fills from 0% to 100% using GSAP. After loading completes, progress bar fades out, preloader scales and fades away, main content fades in with smooth transition. Then we've given an example animation flow, and by now you can tell it isn't just a basic prompt, and ChatGPT can make one for you. AI has helped us accomplish what took teams of developers weeks to accomplish. And those are the kinds of things I'll be teaching you guys in this channel. So please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tutorial videos. Let's continue. So right below this, we've explained the pages and sections. Under the background section, we are going to see a full-screen 3D model created with Spline. Here's how we're going to do it. Head over to Spline website. The link is below in the description. Sign up and click Get Started. On the left side of the dashboard, you're going to see Community option. Here you're going to see lots of amazing 3D models made by the community. Just pick any model you like, tap on it, try to like it to support its creator. Then click the Remix button to open the editor tool. At the top, select the Preview option to see how it looks. Cool, right? Next, click the Export button, then click the Play settings and the Set the Background to Hide, the Update Public URL. Finally, go back to the overview and copy the embed code and paste it right here in the bracket in your project. And that's it. You can go through the rest of the prompts and tweak what needs to be tweaked.
Now here's what you need to do. Grab the entire prompt we've just written, copy it, and head over to the Lovable website. Paste the prompt into the editor. Then open your Images folder. Select all project images and drag and drop them right into Lovable. Once everything's uploaded, go ahead and run the prompt. It may take a couple of minutes to generate, and there's a good chance Lovable will show some errors during the process. Don't worry about that. Most of the time, Lovable handles it. And if anything sticks, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step.
Now, let me tell you 10 important notes to keep in mind when writing an effective, lovable AI prompt. 1. Be clear about the project goal. For example, a modern personal portfolio for a UI/UX designer. 2. Describe the visual style. For example, futuristic dark theme with glowing gradients or minimal pastel palette. 3. List the page structure in order. For example, header, hero, about, projects, contact, footer. 4. Explain what goes in each section. For example, Hero has a 3D spline model on the left and a bold title on the right. 5. Mention key animations or interactions. For example, GSAP fadings for each section and locomotive scroll for smooth parallax. 6. Include special effects only if needed. For example, add a GSAP loading screen and a scroll progress bar. 7. Say what you don't want. For example, no blog section, no lights dark toggle, avoid drop shadows. 8. Keep it descriptive, not coded. Describe effects instead of pasting HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. 9. Use simple placeholder text if you need custom labels. For example, hero title, "Hi, I'm Sarah, creative developer." 10. Request full responsiveness. For example, make the layout fully responsive for mobile, tablet, and desktop.
If you run into any trouble, just ask Lovable to fix it. If you use the prompt I provided, you won't get any trouble. And done. Wow, this is just stunning. Let's view it on full screen. This is really impressive. Your result might look a little different, maybe better. As you can see, it looks really cool with smooth animation.
Let's test the responsiveness. Beautiful! The mobile view even has the hamburger menu for small screen sizes. If you were to code this manually, especially with these animations and layout, it would take ample time and effort. But Lovable made it in less than 10 minutes, effortlessly. You can click Edit and tap on the objects you want to edit. Lovable makes it possible for you to edit lots of things, including the fonts and components on it, and fully customize it. When everything looks good, click Publish. You now have a 3D AI-powered portfolio hosted and live. Send that link to clients, share it on social, watch people say, "Whoa, how'd you build that?" Now, here's the thing. Having a portfolio is only the first step. If nobody visits your site, it doesn't matter how amazing it looks. That's why in the next video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to drive traffic to your portfolio fast, free, and automatically.